Hello, good morning all. So today we are going to discuss the remaining part of our chapter, that is the diversity among living organisms. So far we discussed about the importance of classification, the units used in classification, binomial nomenclature, etc. So, and we know that according to the modern classification or natural system of classification, mainly the all organisms in this world, both plants and animals, they are classified under 5 kingdoms. What are they? Kingdom Plantae, Kingdom Animalia, then Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Munera, and Kingdom Fungi. So, out of these 5 kingdoms, we have to study in detail about Kingdom Plantae and Kingdom Animalia. The other 3, we have to listen the important points. Okay. So, first of all, we can see what is this Kingdom Munera. Kingdom Munera, it is sponsored by the scientist named Robert Whittaker. Okay, this 5 kingdom classification is also known as a Whittaker's classification because Robert Whittaker added 2 kingdoms here. Kingdom Munera for bacteria and Kingdom Fungi for fungus. Okay, so what are the features of this bacteria? Kingdom Munera means it is for bacterians. So mainly there are 2 bacteria. One is a eubacteria. It includes the bacteria and cyanobacteria, eubacteria. The second one is the archaebacteria. It is known as the ancient bacteria, which includes all types of bacteria. Okay. So, what are the features? Main features of these bacterians? All are unicellular and prokaryotic organisms. Unicellular means the body is made up of a single cell only. Prokaryotic means there is no well-defined nucleus and cell organelles. All are without membranes. Okay. This kind of cells are called prokaryotic cells and do not have a true nucleus and other cell organelles. These bacterians are the smallest and the most plentiful organisms on this earth that we know. Bacterians we can see in all kind of climatic conditions. They are able to survive. We can see them in hot desert, in ice cold areas we can see, and also in soil, air, water, etc. In all this areas inside the body of living organisms also, who is the bacterians are there. Okay, that's why they are the most plentiful organisms on this earth. And most of these bacteria, they have a rigid cell wall. The cell wall is highly rigid. Bacterians, they are making one cell wall that we discussed in the chapter why do we fall ill. Okay, then nutrition could be autotrophic or heterotrophic. What is this autotrophic method of nutrition? The organisms, they are able to prepare their food by themselves. They are called autotrophs or autotrophic nutrition. If the organisms are not able to prepare the food and if they are depending on other organisms for their food, then we can call them as a heterotrophs or heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, so among bacteria we can say some of the bacterians are with chloroplasts. Example, cyanobacteria, blue-green algae, etc. All these are the bacterians with the chloroplast. And in this case, the nutrition should be autotrophic or heterotrophic. And the examples, all kind of bacterians, eubacterians and also archaebacterians. So the remaining, that's about the kingdom Protista and others that we'll discuss in the next class. Just read your textbook and to make a better idea about this chapter. Okay, thank you.